Good afternoon, everybody. Today is Monday, October 19th, 2020. Today's physical education lesson is Coin Flip Fitness. Yes, you'll need a coin. We'll go over that in a minute. First thing we're going to go over is the four main elements of fitness. We have aerobic fitness, how well your heart and lungs work together. Muscular endurance, how long your muscles can do something. Muscular strength, how much force your muscles could put out. And flexibility is like range of motion. Today, like I said, you're going to need a coin. You can find any double-sided coin. It could be a penny, a nickel, a dime, a quarter, $50, whatever you have. You're going to find a safe place to play. You'll be flipping your coin. It'll either land on heads or tails. You'll be doing it, the exercise that corresponds with that. So if you get a heads, there'll be different exercises for heads and for tails. If you do not have a coin right now, you can pause the video, go find your coin, and come back and be ready for round number 1. Round number 1, we're going to be doing a coin flip. Now, what I suggest for your coin flip is not let the coin hit the floor. You're going to flip it in the air, catch it, and flip it over on the back of your hand, and that will tell you what you got for your coin. Once again, my suggestion is do not let the coin hit the ground, catch it, and turn it over on the back of your hand. You may flip your coin for round number 1 right now. Flip, catch, and turn it over. In round number 1, if you get heads, you're going to do star jumps. If you got tails, you're going to be doing jumping jacks. Your 45 seconds will begin in 3, 2, 1, and begin. And time is up. Get ready for round number 2. Flip that coin again. You're going to flip it up, catch it, turn it over. And in round number 2 are exercises. If you get heads, you're doing Superman. If you get tails, you're doing swimmer down on your tummy. Your 45 seconds will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. Time is up. Good job on those. Getting ready for round number 3, coin flip. Once again, get that coin. You're going to flip it up in the air. You're going to catch it and reveal what you've got. And round number 3 are exercises. For heads is windmills. For tails, it's standing mountain climbers. You have 45 seconds. Those 45 seconds will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. Time is up again. That was a good round. Getting ready for the next round. Get that coin ready for round number 4's coin flip. Once again, flip that coin up in the air. Catch it on the back of or catch it and turn it over on the back of your hand. Round number 4 exercises. For heads, you're doing knee push-ups. For tails, it is planks. 45 seconds will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. And time is up. Ready for our next round, round 5. Get ready, coin flip time. Flip your coin. Catch it, turn it over on the back of your hand. And in round number 5, our exercises. If you get heads, you're doing crunches. If you get tails, flutter kicks. 45 seconds begins. And time is up. Getting ready for round number 6, coin flip. You may flip your coin. Catch it, turn it over on the back of your hand. In round number 6, our exercises. Heads is lunges. Tails, side lunges. So once again, heads is lunges, a forward lunge. Tails is a sideways lunge. You have 45 seconds. Will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. And time is up. Get your coin ready for round number 7. Do your coin flip. Catch it. Turn it over on the back of your hand. And here we have the exercises for round number 7. Heads is high knees. Tails is bottom kickers. 45 seconds will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. job on round number 7. Getting ready for round number 8. Get ready to flip that coin. This is the last round. Once again, your last round, flip your coin, catch it, turn it over on the back of your hand. And in round number 8, we have fast feet for heads, calf raises for tails. Your 45 seconds will begin in 3, 2, 1, begin. Good job. On the assignments, kindergarten, first, second, third grade, in Seesaw, you will add a response of you completing one of the exercises you did today. Make sure you click on that green circle with the white check mark to turn it in to your journal. Fourth and fifth graders, you'll be in Flipgrid. You'll record a response with you completing one of the exercises you did today. Again, good job today. I look forward to seeing you, or not seeing you, but we'll have PE again on Thursday. Again, I'll be back here on Thursday. Also, the first quarter is coming to an end on October 27th. If you are missing assignments, please go back and check to see what you're missing. Kindergarten, first, second, third, you can check on Seesaw. You can go through each activity to see if you turn something in. And fourth and fifth graders, you can log into Power School to see what you're missing. Or on Flipgrid, you can see what you have not turned in.